Hi, I'm JOGB and welcome to Jo on the Go.
Today I'm on my way to a meeting in the West End and I'm on the go and I'm in a rush. So I'm going to show you my natural skincare makeup, otherwise known as yoga face. Ooh. I've already prepped my skin, but this is a kind of a get ready with me. I don't like visible makeup sitting so on the skin that's all somebody sees. I like enhancement. I like to look like me, but more definition. Essential sun protection. I wear a number of them, but this is a really, really good one. My kids use it too. La Roche-Posay, 50 plus, all weather. I'm very fair, but you know, all skins as far as I'm concerned. And then on top of your sunscreen, not under, because people can sometimes get that round the wrong way, is a primer. I love the Suku Blooming Glow Primer. It really makes your skin look, it gives you this nude, glowy, effortless skin that actually past 35, let alone 40 and 50 and beyond, it puts back that glowy, radiancy texture of skin that you really lose with age and dryness and dehydration. So we're all trying to put radiance back. Even the 18-year-olds are trying to put radiance back. So this is a great layer to put on top of the end of your skincare. So put this shaky. Put the primer on quickly. Look, isn't it pretty? You see? Isn't that pretty? Oh, love Suku at the moment. Can't seem to get enough of them. So a little bit between the fingers, and then just literally, I do around my eyes, and certainly forehead, nose, cheeks, and here, and the chin. So you literally pat it on over your sunscreen, as I said, and leave for a second. So, in my little bag of tricks, what would I carry around with me? Well, as I say, I like a light makeup, I like a nude makeup. In order to do any of it in daylight, I have to have a major magnifying mirror. It basically is 30 times magnifying. It's by a company called Hennings, for what it's worth. I've got one at home and one on the go. But it's like going like this. Woo! And worse, actually, because that wasn't close enough. It's horrific, but I love it. And it's essential past an age. You can see everything, and it's truly horrific, but at the same time, it's honest. Okay, so Laura Mercier, I love this concealer. So on the go, I don't always wear foundation everywhere, but I do wear concealer. I also love Charlotte Tilbury, the Magic Wand. Now, I was sent this. It's not my colour, but I love the applicator. I can get a little, which is like a little finger. So particularly if you're moving, and I know I'm doing my makeup in the back of the car, it's the best light possible. At home, I would use this with a finer brush and put it exactly where I need it. With this little thing, which has been cleaned, look, it's so cute. Can you see? It's so cute. So it's like your little fingertips. Obviously you can use your fingertips, but I thought it would be quite nice for you to see that would be my colour. And you basically dab it. Okay, see my mirror in action. Dab it in the places. For me, the eyes, just so crabby. Oh my god. In the inner corners, a little bit on the brow bone. I never put shimmer on my brow bone. I can't bear that look. It's just strictly for photo op or young girls, but not a woman. The virtue of concealer, if you don't already love it, if you're not a foundation fan, fine, I get it. But concealer, it literally, you just put it where you need to. I have a little pinky red chin. I always get pinky red around the sides of my nose. I don't even have to look at them there, but this one I know they're there. So can you see already that you're blanking out the dark areas? That's the joy of concealer. You're taking away the little areas of imperfection. and you're leaving the rest clear because it doesn't need it. And then with my fingers, I just blend. The warmth of your hands, the texture blends away so that it just becomes your skin, and it merges with your skincare. You know, I don't know if you can see with the primer, but it's just makes it like a little bit, it's still got movement, it's got light, it's not flat, it's not deadened by a mask of foundation, which you just, you know, at a certain age, whatever age, you just, I think it looks horrible on teenagers. You know, skin of youth is beautiful. Why cover it up? Just cover up the bits you need, whatever age. So because I'm on the go and I like quite a cohesive look, sticking with skin, blush. I like cream blush, but I quite like a cream blush that matches my lip. This one, this colour, is MAC. Formulation wise, between a lipstick and a cream blush, I don't think there's much in it at all. There's a new brand, Nude by Nature, which do toxic free lipsticks. I normally carry one around with me. Actually, do I have? Oh, I do have one on me. Oh, yay! Lovely new brand. And look at that. See, not much here. This is Joe. This is Joe. This is anyone, I believe. You know, don't be afraid of nude. Think of your lip tone. This is your blood coming through thin areas of your skin, thicker skin, same colour underneath. So if this colour you can match, it will suit you here too. And that's quite a golden rule, whatever your skin tone, from super ridiculously pale to black skinned, olive, whatever. And so be guided by your lip tone always, and work within those colorways as well, and then you'll just achieve a very natural, beautiful nude that's an enhancement of your own look. I'll put it on the back of my hand quite often. I'll do my lip. I know I haven't done anything with my eyes yet, but oh, I forgot to say lip. And then this color here, I go super fast. You can do it on your smartphone, in the back of a cab, straight from the bullet. Gives a lift. You can just, well, and that's the thing about cream blush, you can keep going. So you can go really subtle for day, which is mostly me, and then you can do more for the evening. You can go for a slightly more intense nudie colour that goes on your lip, which will be my MAC one. Okay, let me see. So the MAC one, a bit darker. So you see it's a bit more intense. I'm not completely always using the same colour on the cheeks. Whatever way you like. Here is your cheek. And look, you can see the sheen. Okay, it's just a lip balmy, it's not glossy, it's a balm-like lip tone. And then you can see a bit darker, a bit more like a contour, but creamy, beautiful, and highlighty. And then final step with skin, sticking with skin, because it's number one, is this pretty thing from Mascara. It's the biggest thing that I keep in this little bag, but equally it can be out of the little bag and be just floating around, and it's powder highlighter. Now I don't normally ever mix powder and cream ever together, but I don't put this in the same place. So this little gem, it's so beautiful. It's a little bit on the back of a brush, the only brush I keep with my on the go, and it's a and it creates that beautiful little yoga skin. I've been doing yoga. I haven't been doing yoga. I can't get up off the floor. Can you see the difference? It makes all skin ageless, agelessly fresh, and fresh is a must. Okay, so finally, I'm going to do my eyes. Okay, so favourites. Delilah Brow Shape. Now this brand is not hugely known, but it's a great brand, and this has without doubt my favourite brow brush. So it's a little one, it's a tiny one. Some of them are bigger, as you know. This one is ever so dinky, and because I mean I don't do microblading or anything like that, I look after my own brows. I sometimes get them threaded, but not often. Anyway, easy as can be if you've got very fair brows, if you've got a few white ones, which I have. This coloured brush will just fill in, and then you can go in with more colour to define, to cover up like some really sparse areas, and then give that overall shape. And so this is essential. So I quite like doing it first because sometimes I won't do anything else. So bear with me a minute. So as you can see, that's like really subtle definition. It's a must for any woman who thinks they can't do makeup. I mean, the things I'm showing you are things for anybody to do. I can see already that there's definition in the brows, and if you saw me in daylight, you wouldn't think I had anything on. I'm looking close up in a mega magnifying mirror, and you can't see makeup, and that's what I like best. Okay, now if I was going out for the evening, then I would probably use this, and I would go in and define more heavily. It's quite firm, so unlike a lot of them, you really can just, look, I'm not even using my mirror again, you can literally just paint in there, and it's impossible to get wrong. So these two products, I haven't used a powder yet. Sometimes I do. I haven't even used a powder yet. They're faultless. Okay, so this is the point when I have a nude lip, my skin is blooming, that you could say, oh, actually, I'm going to wear a red lip. And if you did, then this is how I would leave my eyes. I actually would potentially not even maybe use mascara, which is quite scary, but the definition then becomes here, and it's much more modern and fresh to still keep it away, other makeup away from the eyes. But I'm going to keep my nude lip because I'm not known for being a big red lip wearer. However, there's a video coming up soon which actually has transformed me. So I hope you'll watch out for that one. Sort of transformed me. Okay, this is normally what I would do at the traffic lights. Here we go, the traffic light. So you just go upright with a normal mascara. And with this one, because of the tiny head, you can actually do it that way. And you go from below, but also if you've got pale lashes, remember to go from above. That way you get the very best coating of colour, and the more colour on your lashes, the more definition right in the roots, because then it builds colour from the very base. Your lashes will look fatter and they will look longer. And this is only a brown. I normally wear black mascara because even though I've got red hair, I've got dark brows and lashes. But I quite like this one because it's more of a easy day. And the yoga face is in fashion, so we can pretend that I'm on my way, going back. Maybe not. Okay, so that's one eye. Traffic lights, watch the bumps, watch the swerves, watch the cyclists. I'm not driving, it doesn't matter. And again, remember, it's because the lighting is so good. If you catch those outer lashes, grab them, stroke them, cover them, coat them, and you will always look like you have way more lashes than you realised. Never forget those little tiny inner corner lashes. Ever. Are we an underlash fan, actually? I don't like doing it in the daytime because I end up smearing and smudging, but for the evening I definitely would. So again, this little brush, or any of these little tiny brushes, are so cute, and I usually focus on the ones directly beneath my pupil, It's meant to give a sweet dolly effect. I'm not sure about that, but actually I am. I think it's quite cute. It's like a little, it's where they place fake false lashes quite often at fashion shows. And if you just put it directly there, you can do it like that if you want to. You blend it in. Same with liner as well. Where you place it completely transforms the look of your makeup, obviously. And you can see that that's a little dolly eye. And that one, no. So there we go. For me, it's all about naturals and enhancing what you've got. And if you agree, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, check out everything else over on JOGBliving.com, and hope to catch up soon. I don't want to leave you goodbye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the love. And do visit my lifestyle website, JOGBliving.com, where you'll find our candles and blog and more exciting things to come. The link is below.